welcome to my video. Harrison's filming right now. Today,
why do you have a Mothra coloring page?
Today I'm gonna draw.
You have a Mothra coloring page.
Today I'm gonna draw a Spino. Spino is one of our characters. Okay, let's get to it. Get a bow. You're not that high. So first we're gonna start with the eye. I'm gonna start like right about here in the page. I'm not gonna add a pupil. Wait, I put it in the wrong spot. We're actually gonna put it right here.
Why not do a skull crawler?
No. Then we're gonna add a big line right here.
Scar.
And then another one right here. That's his scarred eye.
And we're gonna give him a scar.
And then we're gonna add a line like this, and then his big snout. And then a bump for his nose. Then we're gonna add a dot right here. Stop. Then we're gonna put a line a little bit downer. Then we're gonna put some squiggly lines right here. And we're gonna put his jaw right here. And then we're gonna put a mouthpiece right here. Then we're gonna put in some teeth, so he's like angry.
Kind of looks like he's happy.
Now does it look like he's happy?
Still, kind of.
Now we're gonna add a big line here for finish off his face. Now we're gonna put like a mask right here.
Why are you putting a mask?
It's not like a mask, it's part of his skin. Into right here. Now we're gonna put a big line for his back. And another one.
Why does he look so skinny? Do you guys see the small fates of the Mothra coloring page? Small feet.
Now we're gonna put some toes in the claw. Ah! Then we're gonna start another leg right here. I'm gonna put a toe right here. Another one behind that, and another one behind that. And we're gonna put a claw right here.
Sure.
It's fine.
The viewers won't know.
And then we're gonna put a arm right here. And a claw, 2 lines right here. Then another one right here. Another one right here. Another one right here. Now we're gonna start another arm right here. We're gonna start right here. And then arm. And then we're gonna do tail right here.
When can I stop filming?
Then we're gonna put a spine. It's gonna go behind his tail. And right there. Now we're gonna add some big spikes right here. Then we're gonna put one right here, one right here, and then here.
And here we have it. We're gonna cut. Here we have it. Stop. We're gonna stop. We're gonna cut the video so I can color it. No, wait, no. Not yet. So, did you see this drawing? Is how to draw a diamond in Dinosaur. Go check that video out. It's really fun. Yeah. I drew it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. So here we got. Here you go. We got the the Spinosaurus. Also, you can check the video out of Diamond Indominus. You're watching this video right now. Say goodbye, Spino. Goodbye.